Hi everyone, Mike Flores here on behalf of iTradingU. Sell in May and go away. We've been talking about that for a few weeks now. We've seen many articles about it, heard many news stories on it, and it looks like it might be setting up to happen now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the E-mini Dow Jones futures market. We see that over the past 2 days, we've had two big down days. Today we had a really big down day, and we closed near the low here. Notice we have the 50-day moving average right here, and we have the 200-day moving average down here, which is a bit further away. We also have a significant double bottom here, swing low. Here goes a significant swing low that we have as well. So I'm really looking to see what happens tomorrow. If the market closes below this 50-day moving average and gets below this swing low here in this double bottom, I think it's time to get out of the market. It looks like it'll be maybe not in a clear downtrend, but definitely in a neutral trend, and will put me on the sidelines until we flirt with new highs. Another thing that's making me believe this is the ADX, although below the 20 line, which is normally a strong trending indicator, it's now rising. Notice we were blue a couple days ago, it had a downturn, but now today it turned back blue and it's rising, meaning that the trend is strengthening, and the trend being going down for the past 2 days. Another thing I want to point to is the MACD. Now, I'll tell you, I don't normally trade using the MACD anymore. I used to years ago when I was earlier in my career, but I really don't anymore. The only reason I'm bringing it up is because I read a study done by Stock Traders Almanac talking about the MACD and how it was very useful in timing the best 6 months to be in the stock market. So what we have down here in the MACD is basically you'll see two lines and a horizontal line. The horizontal line is the zero line, used mostly for the histogram, which I don't have up here, the MACD histogram. What I do have though is basically the MACD is showing the fast line, which is this blue line, and this red line, which is called the signal line. Now, the red line is basically the 9-day exponential moving average, and the blue line is the difference between the 26-day and the 12-day exponential moving average. Those are the normal market standard parameters for that indicator. This was an indicator created by Gerald Appel sometime back in the 70s. I don't really remember when. But MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Yeah, that's it. It's a weird, I know it sounds like a weird name. And many people really use it for divergences, to look for divergences between the MACD and price. But what I'm really looking at here is that we look like we have a sell signal coming. So what happens is anytime that the fast line or the blue line crosses below the signal line, or the red line in this case, that's a sell signal. We can see that currently today the MACD fast line is at 70.08 and the signal line is at 68.96. So if that line, the blue line, goes below the signal line, that's a sell indicator. Now I will say that the MACD, again, is not my favorite indicator. It is a lagging indicator, but in this case, the reason why I'm bringing it up is the Stock Traders Almanac found it to be a very good indicator to use in helping time when to get in and get out of the market for the sell in May, go away phenomenon. So again, let's recap. We have two down days. We have the 50-day moving average here. We have a double bottom swing lows down here. So we're looking to see if the market trades and closes lower tomorrow below the 50-day moving average, below the swing lows, double bottom. And for the trend, obviously that would make the trend get stronger and give us more confirmation. And that would probably move the fast line below the signal sell line. So basically we're adding up edges on our side to say, hey, it might be time to get out of the market and do the sell in May and go away that we've been talking about and the market's been talking about since the beginning of the month. Remember earlier we talked in the month about not just selling on the first of the month, but waiting for a signal. Well, this could be the signal. It's going to be a Friday. A lot of people could be lightening up over the weekend. So we'll take our time and see what happens here. We'll also look at bonds to see if they rally stronger again tomorrow, although they haven't been the best indicator of the market, the stock market lately. because they've been moving in unison, but we'll still watch them, see how they react, because today they did the opposite of the market. That's it. On behalf of iTradingU, this is Mike Flores. Please leave your comments, questions, concerns, and feedback in the comment section below on the blog. I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.